Hello students, welcome back to my channel for Scienceophilic Learner. Today we will revise formation of ethanoic acid, esterification and saponification. Before we start, small request to you all, watch the video till end and like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe it so you will get a notification for my new video. Let's start with the formation of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is also called as acetic acid. So, when one hydrogen from hydrocarbon molecule get replaced with a carboxylic acid, it gives ethanoic acid. Now, let's see here with the reaction. We have to take any hydrocarbon. So, I am taking here methane as a hydrocarbon. Then, when it come in contact with COOH group, that time any one of the hydrogen from this hydrocarbon methane get replaced with this functional group. This is a functional group. So what you are getting now, see here, you will receive ethanoic acid. We have to name it ethanoic acid. So it's very simple for the formation of ethanoic acid. Now we'll see the esterification. For esterification, we have to take ethanoic acid. The molecule which we receive here, the same structure we will draw as ethanoic acid. Please student, try to write the structural form of it so you will understand which group is removing from your reactant and how the new product is formed. So allow this. Now see, if you compare this structure and this structure, it's one and the same, but how we have written, the pattern is different. Always the CO, it's always double bond with carbon and single bond with OH group. So this is also one way by which we can represent acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Now allow this ethanoic acid to react with ethanol. Now ethanol also we have to write in mirror image form. So OH group only we have to write in such a way that whenever they will react, that time we will easily identify which group is removed now. So when we are allowing ethanoic acid and ethanol to react with each other in presence of concentrated H2SO4, that time this particular group is going to remove. So what is that? It is H2O, and see how the bonding is going to be formed now. Same structure, please try to write along with me so you will understand how the formation is. Now till here our product is from first reactant ethanoic acid. Now OH group is removed. This bond is going to be coupled with this carbon and you will get ester formation. And your byproduct is H2O. So this is nothing but ester. We have to label it ester. It also called as ethyl ethanoate. Now let's study about the saponification. This particular process, saponification, is used for the soap formation. In this reaction, you will receive a sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Now, it's clear that if you want the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, your one of the reactant should be ester. So now, here for the saponification reaction to understand, we will take ester. Draw the structure of ester now. Instead of CH3, I am writing here directly CH3, double bond O, C, H2 and CH3. Allow it to react with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Now we know that the charges present on them, sodium is having positive charge and OH is having negative charge. So when they will come in contact with each other, that time the bond is going to break from here. And here now O will going to combine with Na and OH is going to combine with C. So in this reaction of saponification, first reaction of saponification, you will receive two products. The main product is your main sodium acetate CH3, C, double bond O, O, N, A, plus. Now what is remain here? See, Na is already coupled with this O, so you are getting your product as sodium acetate. And what is the byproduct now? It's your simple ethanol. Two more reactions are there for the formation of sodium salts of carboxylic acid. Now let's see about the second one. For the second reaction, we have to take ethanoic acid as a first reactant. So draw the structure of ethanoic acid now. But two molecules of ethanoic acid you have to take. Allow it to react with sodium carbonate. Write down the structure of that. Na2CO3. After reacting with each other, you will get sodium salt of, or we can say carboxylic acid or sodium acetate again, but two molecules of sodium acetate. Now we'll write that. See, it's the same one. It is the same one. C double bond O, O, Na. Along with that, your byproducts are H2O and CO2. This is the second reaction. Now, third one. Ethanoic acid, again we have to take as a one reactant. See, right now I am writing in a different way. Allow this ethanoic acid to react with sodium bicarbonate. What is the formula now? NaHCO3. So it's your sodium bicarbonate. So when both of them are going to react with each other, you will get same product as sodium acetate, and byproduct is also same one. So like this for saponification. For saponification, we have the three reaction. It's totally depend upon what reactants you are having. So by using that reactant, you will form a sodium acetate or any salt of carboxylic acid. Thank you students. Keep studying. Bye.